baby cat. It's had an operation. He can't wave anymore. There's nothing inside.
Tom Dyer!
How are we doing, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Cocktails. Now, today I'm making for you the very long-awaited Vesper Martini. Shaken, not stirred. Now, there's a lot of people who know that martinis should be stirred, but it's completely up to you, your preference. Today I'm going to be making it the James Bond way. Shaken, not stirred. Welcome, if you're new to the channel, thank you very much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel because you'll be notified, especially if you click that little bell, ding ding, every time I upload new videos just like this one. So, I've got my big boy apron on today because we're doing serious cocktails. That's right, serious cocktails. We're doing Vesper Martinis, so I've got to make sure that I'm looking like a mixologist. All right, so let's have a quick look at the scene in Casino Royale.
Dry martini.
Oui, monsieur.
Wait. 3 measures of Gordon's, 1 of vodka, half a measure of quinoa lily. Shake it over ice and then add a thin slice of lemon peel.
Yes, sir.
You know, I'll have one of those.
So will I. Certainly.
Right, 3 measures of Gordon's, 1 of vodka, half of quinoa lily, and shake that over ice with a thin slither of lemon. So, this is our vodka, this is what we're using as Gordon's, gin, bathtub gin, and this is our quinoa lily, which is BVB, which if you wanted to find that. I'm going to give that one a quick taste before we make this. Oh, that's good. Citrusy, a little bit florally, but you also want a bit of bitterness in there as well. And it needs to be a bit sweet. I mean, I could just drink that straight. That's fucking delicious. If you don't have quinoa lily or BVB, you could use Martini Extra Dry or any other vermouth / fortified wine which you've got available to you. Okay, so to start off with the Vesper Martini, we want to make this nice and cold, and because it's going to be quite a big drink, I've got quite a large glass here which can take a lot of volume. So we're going to start off by chilling the glass. That's going to just sit there for now. And we are shaking it, so we're going to chill down our tin on tin. Boom. Right, we're going to start with 1 of vodka. So when he says 3 of gin, 1 of vodka, 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, we're going to say 1 part is 25 mils. So 25 mils is this, and we're going to put in 1 of vodka. And then we need 3 of gin, okay? So that is 1 of these, and 2 of these, boom. And then half of quinoa lily, but we're using our BVB fortified wine, our vermouth, and that's just gonna go straight in there, boom. Now we need to shake that up. I've put in a lot of ice because you do want this to cool down. You don't want it to dilute too much, but I am still shaking it, so all the ice is going to break up anyway. I know a lot of people are going to be shouting, no, don't shake it! Anyway, here we go. James Bond Martini, shaken, not stirred. Okay, dokie. Oh, that smells pretty good. So everything is very cold. The shaker's very cold, the glass is very cold. Now I'm going to strain out everything. Now, some people would just normally strain like this, but you're going to get loads of ice crystals on top of the drink. So I'm going to grab my, my new fine strainer. This is my Gorky strainer, and that's going to catch all those tiny little ice crystals. I highly recommend this. It will just make the drink taste a lot better, in my opinion. Splendid. Okay, and to finish off, we need a large or a thin slice of lemon. So let's just cut off that end piece there. And if you have a peeler, can obviously use that. I don't have a peeler, I just use a knife. And I like to just tidy it up, so cut off the edges. So you've got nice straight edges. Boom. And we're just gonna squirt that on top of the drink. Rub it around the rim of the glass. Rim that glass. Twist. And then I don't want that to just sit in the glass. I'm just gonna pin it to the edge of the glass like this. Vesper Martini. Ha! Okay, so let's give it a try. Smells like gin, mostly. Smells super strong, but looks really good. You can smell the vermouth coming through, and obviously you got loads of lemon going on as well. So, not my favorite, I've got to admit. If I ordered one out, I'd probably drink it, but I wouldn't order another one. So, not the best tasting cocktail, if I'm honest. But if you like gin, this is the one for you. Cool, anyway, thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go and check out the movie, obviously. And if you like it, please don't forget to give it a like. Hit the like button. That's the one with a little thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions about the video or the cocktail, start a conversation down below. I'd love to hear what you think. And let me know if you made a Vesper Martini yourself and how that went. You can go and check me out on Instagram, Tom Dyer Bartender. I'm on TikTok. Yeah. And I'm on Facebook as well. But again, thank you very, very, very much for watching, especially until the end. Until next time, me and the wavy cat are off. See you later. He's not awake. Me and the cat now. Not waving.